So are you looking for a cleaning schedule for working moms? Are you looking for a cleaning schedule where you don't have to work the weekends? Well, in this video, I'm actually going to be sharing with you my personal cleaning schedule. As a working mom, I use this schedule every day. And what's great is that there's no cleaning on the weekends, so you can spend all your weekend with your family. So the schedule I'm going to be sharing with you is coming up next. Hey mommies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Jill and this is MommyTimeTV. This is a place where you can find #MomLife videos. So if you like these types of videos, give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe for all my future videos. So let's get into my cleaning schedule that I use as a working mom. So every morning I do the same routine, and every evening I have the same routine as well. So let's get into every morning. Every morning I make sure the bed is made. So either my husband and I will make our bed, and then my 7-year-old will make his bed, and then I make sure that I make my other son, who's one's bed. And in addition, then I make sure to wipe down the bathroom countertops. And my son does his own. He actually has a little trial size container that he uses just because it's so easy for him to spray it onto the counters. And I make sure that it is safe for him to use. So we actually use what's called Force of Nature for him because it is safe for anyone to use. And I actually will link all that information below on where you can purchase it if you are interested and also interested in learning more about it. And I will also link everything below in all the cleaning products that I use to make things just so much simpler for my life. So we wipe down the bathroom counters, as well as if the mirrors need it, then just do a quick wipe down. And then also I make sure that I empty the dishwasher. So we load the dishwasher in the evening, it runs overnight, and then I empty everything first thing in the morning. So I make sure that that's my morning routine every day. Then every evening, clean up dinner. So I will clean up dinner, I will load the dishwasher, I will make sure that the table that we use when we're eating is all cleaned off and clean the countertops off. So those are things that I make sure to do, as well as if I need to take out any trash, that's taken out. Typically I don't do it every day, but if it does need to be taken out, I will do that. And also pick up or spot vacuum. So picking up meaning if there's any toys on the floor, depending on who it is that needs to pick up the toys, my 7-year-old will pick up his toys and I will help assist my 1-year-old with his toys. So if there's any vacuuming that needs to be done, the vacuum that I use is cordless and it is super easy and lightweight that I can whip in and out of rooms super quickly. So I try to do like a little bit of a spot clean and picking up in the evening too. So that is my every evening routine. So let's get on to what I do on Mondays. So Mondays are dusting. So I dust the entire house, which sounds like that would be crazy and would be a lot. It's not. I make sure that I am picking up every night. So after I'm picking up, I can just quickly whip through and dust everything. So it doesn't take much time. We don't have a lot of clutter in our house. If you're someone who has a ton of clutter and a ton of like knickknacks, it might take a little bit longer, but for us, we don't have that. So it's pretty easy to be done really within like 15 minutes. And then on Tuesdays, I do toilets and tubs, as well as showers. And also I do laundry any day of the week. Really, I just put it on here for every day, but sometimes I'm not doing it every day. But toilets and tubs are Tuesdays, so I make sure that I am cleaning the toilets in our 2 bathrooms, our 3 bathrooms, our powder room downstairs, our son's bathroom, as well as our bathroom. So we make sure that the toilets and the tubs are clean. Also, if you have a husband that likes to clean or that is involved with cleaning process, it's kind of nice to get him involved too, where you can alternate each day. Like I'll take care of Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, you do Tuesdays and Thursdays. So that way the opposite person can spend more time with the kids while the other one's cleaning. It's a win-win situation and that works really well too. And then on Wednesdays, typically I kind of flop these sometimes. Either I mop the floors on Wednesdays, vacuum on Thursday, or vacuum on Wednesday, mop on Thursday. It depends on, sometimes I'm typically doing a spot vacuum anyway. I'm cleaning up little areas, so I don't necessarily need to vacuum before I mop the floors because I've done it the night before. So if I'm vacuuming, I might do that on Wednesday and then mop it on the floors. It just depends. But either way, I'm mopping the floors one day. And we have a lot of tile and a lot of hardwood flooring, but the products that I use are just so quick and easy. You just squirt the product on the floor and then you mop it, and it just is so simple and quick. I actually get those products from Grow Collaborative, which I will list below as well, and that Grow Collaborative is awesome. So definitely check that out if you want those products, or if you're looking for, great cleaning products to use that are quick and easy. So that's awesome. And then, like I said, vacuuming, I use a cordless vacuum that is super quick and easy, and I'll link that information too. And then, like I said, then I also have laundry. One day I'll do, the sheets, bed sheets for all the rooms. Another day I'll do all towels. I'll do, whites one day, darks one day. So how many ever loads of laundry you need to get done in the week, just, get it done. I try not to do more than 1 or 2 loads a night just because it ends up being a lot extra. And then on Fridays, I do the kitchen. So with the kitchen, you're already cleaning the countertops every day. So in addition to that, the fridge. On Fridays, I just make sure I clear out anything that might be expired or, that's almost used up, use that up Friday and throw it out. Clean the outside of the fridge and freezer, cleaning the sink, deep cleaning the sink, making sure that the cabinets, wiping them down, as well as cleaning the stove top, pantry. Sometimes it gets a little bit disorganized by the end of the week when my 7-year-old is, pulling out snacks and everything. So I just tidy that up and make that look nice. Cleaning the microwave if that needs cleaned. And that's pretty much it. That's my weekly cleaning routine. No Saturdays and Sundays involved or necessary. It's so nice because then it's like Saturday morning, I'm like, I can just wake up and enjoy my entire day with my family. And then monthly, I typically, clean the windows, the baseboards, the blinds inside the oven. Sometimes I don't get to that every month. I mean, let's be real, we're all busy. We don't have a whole lot of time to do all these extra things. So that's my cleaning schedule and my cleaning routine. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. And definitely subscribe if you're looking to see any of my future videos. I'd love to have you part of MommyTimeTV. And definitely comment below and let me know, what does your cleaning schedule look like? Do you clean on the weekends? Do you hate cleaning on the weekends? Are you looking for a new schedule? If you use a schedule, let me know how it goes. I'm really excited and curious to see that. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.